Hi all, today I'm coming with a video of how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox on MacBook Pro. Okay, let's start. Let's open VirtualBox. We go to applications. VirtualBox. You can download VirtualBox on go into Safari and click download VirtualBox, and you will find the VirtualBox for Mac, and you click to download it. Okay, here I have installed Kali Linux. I will install it again. I will remove. Okay, I will go here to new, and I will choose a name, Kali Linux. Okay, Linux here, Debian 64. I will click on next. Here I will choose 4 gigabytes of RAM. Next, create the hard disk. I will use 112. Next, finish. I will go here to setting, Linux, Debian. Okay, system. I will uncheck floppy, and for display I will choose to display the maximum 128 megabytes. Storage, I will go to empty here, and I will go to .cd. I will choose a disk file. I will go to my downloads. I will find Kali Linux ISO. You will find this in kalilinux.org, kali.org, and you will install the first one. Open and select sound, network, port. Okay, we go to system, processor here. We will choose 2 and click OK. And now click the start button. Here it will still be little, but when we install it, it will get more bigger, full screen. Okay, I will choose my language and click on continue. It's installing now, installing the component. You will choose the host name here. You can type your name. Domain name, you will find it empty. You will let it empty. Now you can type your name or anything, but you have to remember of it to log in by it. And click continue. Okay, you choose a password. You click continue. I will choose the on-chair disk because it's just a virtual machine, and choose it's chosen. Continue. I will finish processing this. Continue. Here you will click on yes. Write the changes to disks. Yes, and click on continue. Now it is installing the base system. I will close the video and come back when it is almost finished. And now it is selection and install softwares. Okay, I will enrich it by default and click on continue. That will took a long time, so I will close the video and come back when it is almost installed. It is still installing. When it is installing the softwares, I will come back. When it is installing all and finished, it will be full screen. Don't worry about that. It's just in the beginning that is so small. It looks so small. When it is installing the guest additions, it will be full screen. Okay, I will come back. Now it is finished installing software. Installing group boot loader. Okay, I will come back. Okay, it is installing now. Okay, select yes and click on continue. Select this and click on continue. installing the bootloader now. It will finish in a second. Now it is installing the VirtualBox guest additions. Okay, I will pause the video and come back later when it is almost finished. Now the installation is complete. I have to click the continue and it will reboot and it will show in full screen. I have to log in and put my password and click enter, and now it is full screen. Sorry, my MacBook is not a good MacBook. I have not a lot of memory in it for that. Okay, if you like the video, please help me to get 1000 subscribers and hit like if you like the video. Now I will show you the site where you can find the VirtualBox and okay, here you can VirtualBox. You type VirtualBox here and you go here to VirtualBox and télécharger for Mac. It is here. And for Kali Linux, you go here from Safari and you type kali.org and you click enter and you click on download. Let me get this full screen. You click on download and you scroll down. Okay, and you install it from here. You click here, it will be get installed here. It's the same, you see. Okay, thank you so much, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like it. Thanks.